Welcome. If you're having trouble downloading files on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you some simple fixes to resolve the issue and get your downloads working again. Let's get started. First, try closing and reopening the Telegram app. Sometimes a quick restart of the app can fix small glitches. Just close the app completely, wait for a few seconds, and then open it again. After reopening it, check if the download starts working. If that doesn't do the trick, try restarting your device. This might help clear up any system issues that are preventing the app from downloading files. To restart your PC, press the Windows icon or click the Start menu in the bottom left corner, then click the Power icon. Choose Shutdown from the options and wait for about 30 seconds. After that, press the Power button to turn your PC back on. Once your computer restarts, try downloading from Telegram again. Another thing to check is your network connection. Sometimes, a weak or unstable connection can stop your downloads from working. You can try connecting to a different network to see if that helps. To do this, go to the notifications area at the bottom right of your screen and click on the network icon. From there, you can switch to a different Wi-Fi network if one is available. It's also a good idea to check your internet connection to make sure everything is running smoothly. Again, click the network icon in the notifications area and verify that you're connected to a stable network. If there's an issue with your connection, try resetting your router or switching to a different network. If you're still having trouble, the next step is to uninstall and reinstall the Telegram app. To uninstall it, press the Windows icon and type Uninstall Apps into the search bar. Find the Telegram app in the list, click on the three dots next to it, and select Uninstall. Confirm the action, and Telegram will be removed from your PC. After uninstalling, open the Microsoft Store by pressing the Windows icon and searching for Microsoft Store. In the search bar at the top, type Telegram and click Install to reinstall the app. Once the app is reinstalled, open it again and check if the downloading issue has been fixed. That's it. These steps should help you fix the Telegram app downloading problem on your PC. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.